I don't really need a mic. Eric will be coming back. We're going to do the box first, and after that, Eric will return while Kathie and I go and set out the rest of the food, get the coffee done, blah, 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 and tea for those people. Can't understand it myself. This is a complete surprise. Nobody has looked in this box ever, other than an occasional mouse. Maybe
Don't forget the ladybug.
sure. However, we're going to start off with a little bit of an introduction from Peggy's daughter, Kathie. Now, Byron, I don't know whether, are you getting involved in this too? Or?
I might throw a few things around here.
Moral support.
Okay, moral support. Are you coming up and using the microphone? Or are you projecting?
I can project. Do you want to?
All
We'll
right.
project over here.
All right.
I can project.
And if you can't hear them, just give me the symbol and I'll tell them.
Sorry, I kind of wrote stuff down. I'm not great at remembering. So, I just want to start off by thanking everybody for coming. It's overwhelming, honestly. I'm so glad everybody's come, and it really is a huge testament to our parents and Mom especially for this support of so many people. For those who don't know, I'm Kathie. This is my brother Byron. We moved to Dunvegan in October 1975. And it's amazing the treasures that you accumulate over 50 years, especially in a 4-story, 100-year-old house, and many outbuildings. So, and Mom used every inch of it. Every inch. So it's amazing. And among all those treasures, as we were going through the barn, we came across this box, wrapped in plastic, and labeled open 2025. So back in the year 2000, my parents had just had their first grandchild. The world was shocked that it didn't stop when the clock ticked over. And my parents were celebrating 25 years at the farm. So really we have no idea what Mom was thinking or what frame of mind, her intentions for opening it or anything. And
Or how embarrassed we're going to be.
Right. We really have no idea what's inside, so a little late now, but hopefully nothing too personal, right?
That's why we're on stage.
Most of you here, I suspect, knew my mom, Peggy, personally, and a lot of you spent many, many hours with her. Many, many smiles together. She was highly involved in the community as a whole, and a wealth of knowledge on an array of interests and topics. She was a go-to for many, whether it was for a nature dilemma or a historical question or
a rabbit, something or other.
Rabbit, fox, pie needed at the DRA hall. And she was an amazing and energetic person. A lot kind of like organized chaos, but the chaos made sense to her. And she always knew how to find what she needed in there. She was an inspiration, a role model, and a friend to so many. Though it be family, the community, the kids that rode her school bus, pretty much anybody that she got the chance to know. And after thinking about all that, Byron and I decided that it would be highly anticlimactic for he and I to open this box alone. So, on that note, I want to thank James for helping put the ball in motion and helping organize so we could do this today. It's been very helpful, and I really, really appreciate that.
My pleasure.
Mom passed away during COVID, and we never really had a chance to kind of gather. But thanks to those that did come out, we had a makeshift memorial down at the museum, and a lot of people stopped by and wrote notes and left messages, which was really great. Her book is sitting there on the table for any of you who didn't get a chance to do that. I thought I'd bring it down. On that, I'd also like to thank Jennifer Black. She's been a huge, huge help. She and Mom worked together on many projects. I'm sure there's lots and lots of stories to tell. Jennifer is kind enough, on top of everything else that she does, to do a video memory of today, and we'll have something posted up on their YouTube channel.
Yeah, you'll be able to access it on the website.
Yeah. So,
I'm not a videographer, so
yeah, so
we'll just
watch
hope for
for
the best.
a link to that, especially for those that couldn't make it today. So, also big thank you. We have a lot of local artists, businesses, and that were kind enough to donate us some door prizes for today. So thank you, Sam Calder, Brian Schofield, Ben Williams, McHugh and Gas, Stonehouse Vineyards, and the Glengarry Museum have all donated some very nice door prizes. So on that note, everybody who came in the door should have received a ticket, and anybody who made a donation should have received a second ticket. So if you haven't done all that, they're still at the back, and you are welcome to join and do that before we do our draws. So thank you to the girls that have been helping at the door. Thank you. Huge shout out to all those that have brought snacks and everything for our little refreshment table later. That's something I always loved about this neighborhood and this community was that there's always an abundance of goodies and always volunteers to help. So thank you
All
all
the
for-
turkey dinners with the shelving of pie.
Right? That's right. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. I remember there being a second floor on this building.
That's it.
Yeah.
That was a long time ago.
I have those pie shops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last, I'd also like to introduce and thank our cousin Eric Calder for being here and providing us some Eric's 24, he's from Saint Lazare. He's been entertaining us as a family since he was very small.
Very small.
Whether it was his talent with multiple instruments, his abilities to create his own soundtracks, generally just sharing his love for music. We've been amazed and proud to watch you grow up and become an amazing young man you are. So thank you very much for making your Glengarry debut with us and being a big part of today. So without further ado, so we have the box.
So, I think before we get to the box,
Sorry, just a quick introduction. This is my niece, Achsannah, and she's just going to help us.
and she's going to help. Did you bring in the tickets, my dear?
I did not.
How do we pick a winner?
Wait, wait, use this.
It was your ticket.
Yeah.
That's right here.
Guess what? Family are not allowed to win.
Kathie, can we guess what's in the box?
Now that's a good idea. Why don't everybody write down what they think is in the box?
Oh, yeah.
It's not time.
Okay, so we're going to start off, before we open the box, we're going to pick one door prize.
So we have a table full of door prizes over here, and what we'll do is as you get picked, you can come and take your choice of items on the table.
Ben, where's Ben?
Ben.
Ben,
Not Ben.
thank you, Ben.
What are those wooden things? It's just out of interest. It looks like it's a bidet for a small person.
Did you get that on the recording?
For baptizing dolls.
You're
just cutting wood, you just scrape your...
Oh, okay, nobody else knew either.
Love it, thank you so much.
Pick a number. Here we go.
Drum roll.
Now, oh my God, we have two different types of
It's all
tickets?
right.
No, because you
Oh, the right
usually
one.
need the last 3 or 4 numbers. Anyway,
Well, it's a white ticket.
it's a white ticket, but it'll last 3 numbers.
The last 3 numbers are 6, 4, 7.
So, please come up to the table, choose the prize, you're first.
No.
Well done. And I think we should give a round of applause for my colleague here, Achsannah, because she's got a voice that carries as well as mine does. Well done. Now, would you like the privilege of having the box open at the top?
Right across.
Sure.
Right across.
Maybe we
Well, she's either here or she's not.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, this is so exciting.
For those interested, Sheena picked a wine tasting for two. Vineyard in Alexandria.
Somehow that's not unexpected.
Not nice. Whoa, it's a plastic
Sorry,
tote.
everyone.
Oh, it's see-through.
There we go. All right, so prepare the tape. Take that away. Okay, the top's coming off. Whoa! All sorts of interesting.
Well, the first thing.
All right. Oh my God, this is gonna take a while.
Glengarry Dunvegan.
Is that a full tab that we're supposed to close?
That's so
No,
funny.
that's something else.
So funny that's on top. This is for you, Glengarry.
So we're gonna open these things up. We won't pass them around, we'll just lay them out on the table. And once we're finished, which should take about 3 hours.
My mom knew how to pack things.
You haven't seen what's in this, okay?
No.
All right.
Sharing the memory, shaping the dream. 2000, Canada Millennium.
Now those cost about $4 billion, by the way.
There's more.
With another, oh my God, $8 billion.
Tickets to a concert.
No.
And pins.
Oh, 2 bookmarks,
Bank information.
2 pins. There's going to be a lot of duplicates in there.
Well, why don't we put the dues on the...
And 2 temporary tattoos.
Key to a safety deposit.
Yeah.
What do we got next? Events of the millennium. Okay, this goes into Y2K, I would assume, because you remember that was a big thing. Ooh, there's all sorts of stuff to start fires with.
Those are all news articles.
I don't know what's in there.
Citizens.
Would you like to open that envelope?
Packing for the future.
That's from the Ottawa Citizen, isn't
Oh, dirty pictures.
Oh, that's
My dad.
sailing.
On the back side, it says quick draw with the TV remote. What else?
What else have we got?
Oh, we've got more photos stuck together.
it? Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Gary, you read that. I'm sorry, I've had 2 hours sleep. I'm sort of here.
Brian's working nights right now,
Yeah.
and he's just 20 questions.
Yeah. Mom asked Dad and put him in the box.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
No,
Mom
they're,
asked Dad.
no, because these are
Or those
mom's,
questions.
yeah. So mom, born December 27th
Oh,
in Paris,
okay, well,
5'8", 150 pounds, brown with lots of gray, hazel eyes.
She was 150 pounds when she was born?
No. He's obviously currently at
Oh, my grandmother was something else.
we stayed at home in Dunvegan, planning to have a midnight supper. Oh, must have been on the night, what you did on,
Oh, yes.
yeah,
Okay.
with wine, but I got stomach flu and spent the evening asleep. It goes on.
Oh, yes.
I'll put,
Yeah.
maybe I'll put this over by her book for those.
Okay, good idea. So, now this is unusual. We don't have these anymore.
Right?
That's a reusable plastic bag, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
Yeah. We're not allowed them anymore.
No.
Okay, something about beer.
Celebrate.
Celebration.
Now, this is a Kathie cartoon strip, and it must have had some relevance.
January 17th, is it wearable? Is it fixable? And now the question that we'll do more closet cleaning projects that all that have come before. Is it collectible? Hope I saved the really collectibles, love mom. So that must have been her little
Disclaimer.
For any of you that are interested, in the year 2000, we have the Township of North Glengarry Emergency Preparedness Kit.
It's probably got typos, just like the garbage. Well, that's interesting. Decade without a name. And I always had troubles with that too. Like the 80s, the 90s. What do you do with the first 10 years of 2000, right?
The aughts.
Yeah, I know, the aughts, but come on, give me a break.
It's not James approved.
Ooh, TV programs. We used to have
Two different TV If anybody ever remembers getting up to change the channel.
How many people here still get a TV signal?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
That's the only thing we get.
No.
Is it still Channel 8? Do they still have Channel 8?
No.
Ottawa, CTV? I didn't know they were still doing that.
Channel 8 is still there too. From the repeater station.
Like this is December 31st.
Maybe, I don't know.
So
It's been so long.
what Peggy has done is she's collected a number of newspapers, all December 31st. Ottawa Citizen,
January 1st.
Or January,
Yeah.
or January 1st, depending on when they published.
yeah.
If they were a conservative paper, they wouldn't have published on the holidays.
That's
Too
right.
friggin' lazy. Yep.
So it's all the last night and the first day,
Exactly.
in case time actually did stop.
Yes, yes. We can start a fire. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's just an article about the show they had up on the Ottawa Hill.
It looks like at the
There's gonna be a few of
beginning,
these.
it looks like at the beginning of January 2000, there's January 3rd, January 4th, January 5th. It's all our times, so a history of,
Our time is January 14th.
yeah, so she's got just this section out of all of these.
Now, what's interesting here is this is a January 4th. And obviously the world didn't blow up. Y2K was just a bunch of nonsense. So it has an example of what to do with your Y2K stockpiles, because we all stockpile crap, right?
Yeah.
You're supposed to share it with the food bank. Who knew? I'm sorry. Dive in, grab some stuff.
This is a historical calendar.
It's the only way I'm gonna shut up.
And these are times, as I was going through, look like they're covering many of the decades, 60s, 70s, 50s. Yeah, so each one of those seems to be its own.
Oh, that's nice. An article on Y2K collectibles. Things like millennials. Okay?
I'm surprised there wasn't.
I know, millennials, they're Cheerios for the new millennium. And it comes in a, looks like a platinum box. Well, colored, okay, not real metal.
Hold on to that for a second.
You want that, yeah?
We're gonna put that there for a second.
Okay.
We're gonna keep
I
this
think
one.
you should put that on.
Happy 2000.
Some plates and some napkins
Oh my
and
God.
some ribbons
Oh, this is wonderful.
and a receipt.
There's Mom.
That cost, I do believe $4.60.
Maybe 8.
And a plastic bag.
You need to keep that plastic bag. That's from St. Isidore Valley Market.
That is a collectible.
Oh my God.
I didn't even notice that.
Well, you know it wasn't from the independent. Not at $4. What have you got in there? Not
Ribbons from Walmart.
You're not allowed.
Very well labeled.
Are they like special?
They're just,
Ooh.
Apparently.
oh, those.
No, but there's something.
Some receipts.
Oh, there we
Or
go.
receipts.
Millennium 2000, Millennium 2000. Megan, there's a certain pattern. And another receipt.
You gotta keep
Was
them.
she gonna try to get deductions in her taxes for this?
They wouldn't be there.
How much is it worth now?
Maybe it's a museum donation. $1.27, by the way.
Oh, yeah. I think those might be well worth the, opening the box to see.
James,
Yes,
when did you start writing the column?
when, which column?
Dunvegan.
The Dunvegan, and that would be, you're talking about the Glengarry News one?
Yeah.
2012, January.
Okay, so I was wondering if you put it under losing, because she was liking columns.
Oh, she's a columnist.
Yeah, she was the columnist at that point. Absolutely, she was. Yep, yep.
I believe that was.
There's a lot of little.
Oh, a lot of little things around it. Why, do you figure there's a body in here?
You never know, so.
Oh.
We did find some in the freezer.
Well, oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Peggy, when she was driving the bus, made a point, and she did it with me. She came one day and said, I found an owl on the road. And I took it home, because it really wasn't damaged, and I put it in the freezer. Would you like it? And I said, yes. Terry said, no. Luckily, I was able to sneak it in. We then had a taxidermist who worked for the government, actually. And he did a marvelous job. I was going to bring it today. I'm not allowed to bring it into the house. It has to stay in the barn. But it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And
Which one is it?
which type of animal?
There's a great horned owl, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
But it's
great.
big. It used to be in the post office.
Yes, it did use
And you have a bell jar on it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because years and years ago, I found one of those, what are they called? Bell jar. Thank you. But mine is about that high and about that, and it's just huge and heavy. And the guy who mounted it turned a base for it,
Right.
and the whole thing,
It sits right there.
it's gorgeous.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah,
That was
it
fun,
is.
right?
But I'm still not allowed to bring it in.
That's why my mom and her mom were such good friends.
Oh, my
Mine
goodness.
picked up awful things off the road.
Oh, it's yours. No.
We'd be driving along and it's like, what's going on? And she'd be like, oh, I somewhere else, like 80 kilometers back in the bush.
There was one day we were going into Alexandria, and Mom saw a turtle on the side of the road and turned around to take a look at it and broke a tire at end.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah,
Had to
that's
call
where the
Dad.
car sat. Yeah.
That's right. I have 540 hours of free, unlimited internet.
Remember those? I used to
On a DVD
Dial-up.
Yeah, dial-up, nothing wrong with dial-up.
We have
Oh, more.
year 2000 material.
Oh, and the ribbon goes with that.
Ribbon goes with that.
I've never seen
And that was, that was 1650.
Wow.
Extravagant. Oh, yeah. Because of this purpose.
Now, we have a paper bag here. And I'm hoping it's not filled with dog poop.
We have a receipt. We have some cups and some plates and napkins.
Well, actually, we need those. Oh, this looks interesting. Looks like cocaine. Cocaine.
Oh, 2,000 quarters.
2,000? How did they get 2,000 quarters into it? Are they condensed?
I'm not sure. January 14th, year 2000.
There you go.
It says X 2,000 quarters.
How to win money.
As soon as you open that, they lose their value. Trust me, they've been in circulation.
If they weren't there very long.
No, because they had collectors.
I'm guessing that you're,
From the year 2000.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
would you
Yeah,
agree?
yeah, it's just a, yeah.
It's a graphic designer who really never passed grade 2 math.
It's a pin
It's a pen.
from Ontario.
Oh, 2000 Ontario.
Now, you have access to things that we don't.
Yeah, for those that are interested, you can save $10 on a pair of Guess jeans at the,
Yeah. The shop that went
Yeah.
bankrupt in Alexandria.
Oh.
If it's in Alexandria, it went bankrupt.
yeah, and then there's the Coke card.
Oh, that's
With a bunch
fine.
of savings.
Maybe one of the.
This one.
Oh, I want the Coke.
That's right. Oh, there's more.
Yes.
Oh, yes, there is. Oh,
Oh, thank you.
oh, there's
Wow.
more blue jeans.
So it's Walmart bag
Another bag.
and
Party favors.
more party supplies.
She really wanted.
However, there's no receipt this time.
Oh,
So maybe she stole one.
It's like a bouquet.
oh. 2000 bouquet.
Yeah.
Here's 2000.
Alright, we'll put this on the other.
Okay.
Anybody want to guess where these were made? Diamonds, yeah. Okay, what else have we got?
We have specifically 2 tablecloths for the year 2000.
Napkins.
Oh, with napkins.
Now, the one thing I don't think people picked up on, but there's a great parallel between this and Noah's Ark. Yeah. Everything comes in tubes, right? I'm just hoping that they're not going to reproduce.
Well, I think
She was a racing, she always bought two.
one for now and one just in case.
Or one for introduced. Yeah.
Yep. Oh, down the side here. And another bag. Yes, for Zellers. Zellers is a
show that wearing other hats at the Shack. They're on situation. Oh, yeah. Actually wearing my hat.
But it shows you how inaccurate memory is. Okay, now we have a big box here.
Yes. No, we'll take the box out.
Let's turn this over. Okay.
Now, going back. Collector's Catch the Year 2000 bucks.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. Oh, cereal.
Get some bowls out and we'll all have them. Let's see when they expire. 2098. They should be okay. Oh, there's something.
Never used to even put best before dates on things.
Now, this was bought at the Metro. And the whole thing cost a whopping $30.32.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I sell them.
16.
16.
Yeah, 16 boxes.
Put them on.
And they were, for the two of them, it was $3.79.
And one box is $8.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And I believe that's
So,
Well, that was very exciting.
that was very exciting. Thank you very much. However, I think we should all settle in and perhaps pick another number.
Another prize draw.
Another prize. Here we go. Have we got a red ticket?
Drum roll, please.
Close your eyes.
red one.
No, you don't have to close your eyes, Richard. It's okay.
Trying to cooperate, kids.
Oh,
It was
he's
just an app,
waiting.
right?
He's here as a representative of the press.
You just blew his
Covered
secret.
It's a day of secrets. What do you got?
Okay, it's a red ticket, and the last 3 digits are 4, 2, 1.
There we go. All right, we're on the roll. Do another. I'd like to get a prize on this side of the room. And if it's not on this side of the room, I'll take it.